Yeah, also this is the hardest we can get the Taiwan Excellent Gold Award in 2017. Actually, in machine tool, we are the number one to get this award. Wow. Normally, this award is from laptop or mobile phone, like Acer, Asus, they will win that. Wow. Machine tool, we should be the first to have this award on our machine.
Congratulations.
Yeah.
Hello and welcome to MTD CNC India. Today we are here at HIMTEX show and I'm standing in front of Manav Marketing stall and I'm here with my friend Saifi from Chmer.
Thank you.
Thank you for your time.
My
Saifi.
name is Saifi also. You can call me Saifi. Yes.
Definitely.
And I'm the regional sales manager in charge of Chmer product in India sales.
Nice.
I would like to appreciate for your visiting and also to talking to us.
Thank
I would
you.
like to share our knowledge, what I know.
Saifi, can you please tell me about your company, Chmer, what you do, what kind of products you have?
Chmer actually is a professional EDM machinery company.
Okay.
So in this territory, maybe not everybody knows, but it is a kind of very specific technology. So people are using this for kind of mode in automobile, aerospace, and also medical, even solar power industry, and the battery for the car, and also this is very popular also for using. Yeah, maybe you can treat it as kind of a secondary manufacturing by EDM way.
Okay.
EDM way is mean using the electricity discharging machine.
Great.
Yeah, so it's a very professional territory to us. And Chmer company, of course, is founded in 1975.
Okay.
Yeah, we are already 48 years.
Wow.
Yeah, so we are much to the 50 years, and we hope soon maybe we can conquer to march to the 100 years.
Definitely,
Yeah.
definitely. I wish you all the best for that. So you told me that your machines are being used in different sectors like automotive, aerospace,
Yeah.
right? And can you please elaborate what kind of components can be made through this machine and what is the unique selling point, USP of this machine? How is it better than other EDM machines?
No problem. Actually, the kind of the job with the metal can do the electricity that we can cut or make erosion. Now, and because they are CNC controller, so any kind of shape that wanted you can doing through the CAN software and the computer and transfer the data to the machine.
Wow.
And our machine will contact you is because this is all the core technology. It's our developing.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. For example, controller technology, including the hardware and software.
Okay.
The hardware is like a PCB, okay, and also the charging board. All the CPU inside and also the PCB was developed by our own.
Okay, so both
Yes.
hardware and software are developed by your company only?
Yes, because Chmer is not one company, it's a group.
Okay.
So we have many subsidiary company
Okay.
to make it this way. So this
Interesting.
subsidiary company is called HIMTEX. So
Okay.
they make these controller things for us.
Okay.
Another important part is about machinery. Yeah, so in machinery also we had some very important components like ADLT, auto wires rating system,
Yeah.
and also the linear motor technology.
Okay.
You know, linear motor technology is also very important. Why? This is the next generation. Normally, we use the machine tool. It's by the Bosch screw and AC motor.
Yes.
But most screw, after 5 years, it will getting wear. But through the linear motor, it's like a high-speed railway.
Wow.
So they can extend the traverse easily, and also it's a high response, no wear. So certainly it's lifetime devices.
Very nice. So this linear motor technology is also from Chmer Group?
Yes, our own development.
This
And
is
we
nice.
have got the patent numbers.
Wow.
Yeah.
So this is really good. I mean, you have a fully backward integration within the group. All the technologies are developed by Chmer Group only.
Yes, only also developing in Taiwan. So that's why we got the many awards. Yeah, also this is the hardest we can get the Taiwan Excellent Gold Award in 2017. Actually, in machine tool, we are the number one to get this award.
Wow.
Normally, this award is from laptop or mobile phone, like Acer, Asus, they will win that.
Wow.
Machine tool, we should be the first to have this award
Amazing.
on our machine.
Congratulations.
Yeah.
This is really impressive, Saifi. So can you tell me about, we are here in India now and you are working with Manav Marketing. What's your relationship with Manav Marketing? For how long you have been working together?
Yeah, and actually before cooperated with Manav Marketing, because our officially cooperate is in 2017 to start. Yeah, so before that we are very well known in Mumbai and Pune area.
Okay.
So it's from 2003.
Okay.
Yeah, and we already start in developing in Mumbai and the Pune area.
Okay.
And 2017, then with the Manav Marketing, then I think we can have a very large space to extend our business.
Definitely.
Yeah.
Manav Marketing is a very popular name in machine tool industry in India, and I think this relationship with
I
Chmer
think
will be
they are
really,
very
really good.
intelligent how to choose the right product to promote
Yes,
to the
yes,
customers.
yes.
Yes, and also it's our honor to cooperate with such a dealer, such a partner.
Great.
Yeah.
Thank you, Sefi. Thank you for your time. It was pleasure talking
Thank
to
you,
you.
Ash.
And
Yeah,
thanks a
and
lot.
it's also a pleasure for having you visiting
Thank you.
today.
Best
Thanks.
of luck.